Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you a real practical example of how Shopify Flow works with bird pickup and delivery to automatically update delivery dates for subscription orders based on the intervals. For this demo, I'll be using Appstle, which is a very popular subscription app on Shopify. The idea here is simple but powerful. Automatically increment the delivery date for subscription orders. First, we enable Shopify Flow in both apps. In Bird Pickup Delivery, we already know how to do that. If not, I highly recommend watching the previous video once to understand the setup. Then we head over to Appstle, open App Integrations, find Shopify Flow, and enable it there as well. At this point, both apps are fully connected to Shopify Flow. I already have a daily subscription plan created, so let's jump straight into the workflow. Inside Shopify Flow, the trigger we're using is Appstle's Subscription Billing Success Trigger. Once that happens, the action we've set up runs automatically. What this action does is read the delivery interval and the delivery interval count coming from the subscription, whether it's daily, weekly, monthly, or anything else, and then updates the delivery date inside Bird Pickup and Delivery. You can also name this action so it's clearly visible later in the subscription logs, which makes debugging and tracking much easier. Now let's see this in action. When we compare the orders, the first order has a delivery date of January 23rd. With a 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. time slot. And the next subscription order has a delivery date of January 24 with the same time slot. Because it's a daily subscription, the delivery date was incremented by exactly 1 day. This is the real power of combining Bird Pickup and Delivery with Shopify Flow. And the best part is, this isn't limited to just Appstle. If any subscription app supports Shopify Flow, Bird can work with it in the same way. That's pretty much it for this demo. If you want to learn more, head over to help.birdchime.com or reach out to us anytime at support@birdchime.com. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.